Hello everyone. Today our neighbors got dogs. It's very annoying, so we're gonna go and check them out. They're very mean. There's one. Wanna bark? Oh, stop barking anymore. Oh, spoke too soon. Other one is back there somewhere. Single inside. Doggy. Whoa, holy crap. He's coming. Oh, he's staring at me. He's staring at me. Where's your friend, boy? Where's your friend? I think I hear the other dog. Yep, here he comes, guys. Very patient. Oh, the other boxer. He's like, are you coming? Pretty sure the other dog is coming. A lot of poop. Hope the other dog comes quick. Me too. Keep your eyes open, everyone. Come here, boy. Huh? Dang. That is one cute dog, but not really nice. Jeez, I wish I could just go over there and pet it. Maybe if we get down, the other dog will come. Just stay up there. I'm getting down, okay? I'm getting down so your other friend could come. Come on, say hello to the people at least. Oh, it's getting hard to get down. We have a chair up here. So we yep. Get down. Be very quiet. Did it come?
No.
How about you get down?
Okay. It's coming. I hear it.
Sydney, just get down. It's your stupid small backyard. Gum. Well, this is dinner tonight. Just kidding. Get down. Sister won't get down. Brock. Gum. Vacuum. Weightlifter. Just get down. I think I hear it. Get down, get down, get down. Get down. My sister's not listening. They came back. Everyone, cross your fingers. Oh, there's the dog. There's the dog. There's the boxer. You guys see it? Waiting for his pal. You know what? Wait, D. Oh, never mind. Okay, everyone, there you have annoying dogs. Really annoying dogs. Dang, when my dog comes over here today, she's gonna be really mad.